Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Arundhati Tech for You. In this video, we are going to discuss about calculating result across the sheet. So friends, if you don't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel Arundhati Tech for You and don't forget to like my videos. Coming to Excel, I have 6 students result of 2019 and 2020. Now my management want another sheet where contains a difference between a 2019 and 20 result so they can see the improvement in student. For that I have to compare percentage. So let me go to the 2019 sheet, select the percentage, go to the 1920 sheet and paste. Oops, you can see I didn't get the copied value because of relative reference. In this case, generally people prefer to type the values, but if I type the values by seeing the previous sheet, any changes made in previous sheet will not affect the current sheet. So I have another solution. Just click equals to, go to the 2019 sheet, select the percentage, click enter. Nice, you can see now I got the 67. Now let drag this one. Yes, now we can compare 67, 79.6, 91.3. The same will reflect 67, 79.6, 91.3. Nice, right? Let's do the same with the 2020. Say, click equal to, go to the 2020 sheet, select 80 percentage, click enter. Nice. Now let me drag. You can also compare now 81, 82.6, 91.3. 81, 82.6, 91.3. Nice, right? Now it is easy to compare between both sheet. Just type equals to, select E6 minus D6, enter. Now you can drag to find the different 2019 and 20. Nice, right? So now there's advantage with this, with the help of equal to, is any changes you made in, suppose if I made any changes for the 78, I have done 98, right? So my percentage automatically increased into 87, right? Now let me go to the back, see it has also increased to 87.66 and automatically the difference has changed. Nice, right? So students, keep practicing. Thank you.